having a fire right down the road from our house. It's not far from our house. I don't know if you can see the flashing lights. Those are the fire department. Smoke. You can kind of see the smoke over there. They were putting it out, so. So I got pulled into work for helping with corn just a little bit, and we're passing a neighbor who has a fire going on. We think it's in their actual wood burning house to heat their house, so it's on the outside. We think that set on fire. It makes the most sense that it would. But yeah, I've just been helping a little bit pull some wagons. Their fire truck is going through to where everything is burning. I don't know if they needed backup again or what. I'll have to see if I can get more video on the way back home of them. My fiance, he actually thought that the combine that's doing our corn when we were coming might have been the thing on fire, and he was freaking out. He's like, oh my god, I hope his combine is not on fire. Luckily it wasn't, but you know, we feel bad for the people who are having a small fire. At least it's not their house. I think they got it contained. There was another fire truck that came through, but yeah, hopefully they're not really blocking off the roads. That would be really, that would be sucky. In the fire, it's their burn building. Yeah. Remember, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and hit that notification bell if you want to see the next videos I upload. Have a great day, everybody.